Good evening. Students are preparing more on their language journey, and AII enrollment increases to a staggering 10,000 plus students.
Great week indeed.
Let's bring in more exciting news to everyone.
Let's get started.
You're watching the second season of
AII Newsflash for the top of the hour news. AII Language Center Chbaba campus is set to open its doors on October 27, offering English, Chinese, and Thai language courses. These courses are designed to provide 21st century education and adhere to North American standards. Registrations are currently open, and new students have the opportunity to avail themselves of up to 40% scholarships. This remarkable initiative aims to make quality language education accessible to a wider range of students. Stay tuned for more updates by following AII Language Center's official Facebook page. This is an excellent opportunity for language enthusiasts to enhance their skills and broaden their horizons. Don't miss out on this exciting new venture at AII Language Center Chbaba campus. Stay tuned for more updates on this special occasion at AII.
柬埔寨教育领域迎来了一项令人兴奋的发展 ，AII 3所校园举行了盛大的开幕式，其中汉语作为第二语言成为旗舰课程之一，由 MJQE 的创始人、董事长兼首席执行官Dr. MJQE 领导旗下，该校区是目前最大、最令人印象深刻的校园。 占地面积高达2982平方米。这个先进设施旨在提供汉语作为第二语言的教学，可容纳1500多名学生。汉语作为第二语言课程的报名仍在进行中，于2023年8月28日正式开学。 有意向的学生们不要错过加入 AII 3所校区社群的机会。学习一门新语言是 AII 推进教育，帮助年轻人在未来取得成功的一部分。
Brace yourselves and mark your calendars for the Apple event on September 12th, where they are expected to unveil their new highly anticipated iPhone lineup. The new iPhone 15 series, including the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max will be introduced. Anticipated changes in the new iPhones include an upgraded camera system with up to 48 megapixels, wireless charging capabilities, and shifts from the Lightning port to a USB-C port in the iPhone 15 series. These features promise to enhance user experience and provide cutting-edge technology. However, Apple will also need to address the recent concerns surrounding the battery life issues that have been circulating in the tech community. Users are eager to see if the new iPhones will deliver improved battery performance and address these concerns effectively. As the launch approaches, the tech community eagerly awaits to discover if this event will truly be a wanderlust, introducing groundbreaking features, or if it will be more in line with Apple's regular product updates. Stay tuned for more updates here at AII Newsflash, where we will keep you updated on the latest developments.
So, are you guys buying the new iPhone 15?
It depends on the price, or maybe I'll study a new language and save some dollars.
I bet you will. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Ming.
I'm Luca.
And I'm Virat. This has been AII Newsflash.